Hello, hello. Hello. I hope this is live. Let me check. So, good morning. Good afternoon for Indian people. It's almost 12:30 London Open. So, let's see for a London Open what we can see. So, this is the trade I have been looking for 1 minute, I guess, not for a 5 minute, but for the 1 minute. This was the impulse move on a demand zone, and then supply break, and I was waiting for this level, but it didn't came. So now come to our yesterday's analysis. I hope you have got yesterday analysis right way. As I told you that I was expecting this demand zone for to get a whole ride upper side level to this yellow line. But while going around, I even shared this supply zone with you, stating that might, if it breaks, then we can look for upper side, our strategy at our risk supply and demand strategy. So at first I told you you can take a trade, but I am not taking that trade because I am not that much confident on that trade. So this was this trade as it was an impulse move, but liquidity was forming. See, so liquidity was forming, so it went up, it breaks the supply here, and it came down, and then boom, it hit our TP. Since this trade hit our TP, I was just waiting for to break this supply zone and this line at once. And once it moves it 5 minute time frame, you can see how it moves, like it goes from impulse move towards breaking this level and then coming back to 35% of level, and then from there it might draw, it even dropped like 50% around. I don't take 50% all the time, but yeah, 35 is the good way, because you don't want to move the miss. Sorry, you don't want to miss the move. And it came back. I took an entry. I got target hit here. Although I was out here, I was almost, yeah, on a London session only. So today I came late for London session for that same reason. But you know what? In the New York session, it came down and make made it the low towards this demand zone. And when this was going up, I took a very less risk on this demand zone, because I knew if this takes the liquidity out and then it will go ahead, and I took here the entry almost. Yeah, at this point I took a entry. This was another way of taking entry. It's not the AB1 strategy, but I took this entry. I kept this as a stop loss and then let it run. It came back to B. I took out my half percent here, half quantity here, and then it came back to B. But I purposefully kept my SL still intact at the same level, not to move to break even, cause I was hoping this goes to, from this demand zone it goes to our target, and fortunately it went up in the night, and then on ascension zoop it went up more, and on pre-London Frankfurt Open it went up more, came back, did demand zone, and then at a London almost open it touched our target line. So basically I shared it on my Instagram page also, this trade, how I took, and how it's going, and it give me some sort of, almost I guess it's reward risk reward ratio was 1 is to 20. This was a swing trade I took here, and this was our stop loss, and, and the target was here at this level. So 1 is to 13, sorry, 1 is to 13, target was 1 is to 13. Yeah, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. So yes, that was it, and today we got that thing. So basically why I took this trade, I will tell you. This is a normal pole and flag pattern, right? This went up from the 4-hour demand zone towards upper side, breaking all getting all this trend and liquidity outside, and this was my one of my AB7 strategy, where algorithmic trading strategy. Although this was the same here, it happened here and this happens here. So I was waiting for what we say, demand zone to get intact, although it came go upside and break the supply zone, and came back impulsively to touch this demand zone for the higher time frame to go again towards the higher time frame target achieved. So on 1 hour you can see this going. On daily you can see this touching. Yeah, when I saw this 4 hours got touched and it went out and it made this 4 hour bullish candle almost, and then I saw that demand zone and make sure that it touched this line. Why that line, I will tell you. So you must be knowing that chart patterns have pole and demand zone. So this is how I draw. So 25 points from here, from this level, from demand level, 25 points, it goes like this, but I make sure it comes to 20 or something, you know. Margin of safety is always 25%, so make sure it's down by 20. Yeah, this is my way of doing, this is my way of thinking of getting on this trade, although the target is here, but I don't go for that much level yet, because I know they might get, you know, the reversal from that point also. See, this was the highest liquidity, here was the highest liquidity, and there's something supply zone or something thing. This happens, and I have seen a lot of times that it never goes straight to the target if it's on a higher time frame, and then it has to get back and then go up. But on lower time frame, it might hit our target. It might could have hit our target. So this was it. I need to wait. So this was my take on yesterday on New York session. I don't trade New York session, but somehow I'm feeling that you, sometimes New York session is better also. I don't know. I'm just trying out all the stuff. But London session is good. London session is good. Right now, what's happening, we will do understand it well. Just give me a sec. We will be on the live. To save this to my journal. So, do you want to see my journal? It's crazy journal. You can see this. It's lot of, yeah, lot of lot of lot of screenshots of my trade or analysis trade or something sort of. I will show you it. So take a look at this. AB June, July, like AB September 2022, October, and this is all my strategies picks, I guess. AB November, December 23, Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan 2024, February, March, April, May, June. So this is how much I these are like trades of folders I made it, and from since September, I guess, yeah, September 2022. So I need to go back to all the trading journey sometimes, to see how my strategy works, and then again I have to, sometimes it goes to the drawdown, and then I have to restudy it, retest it, restudy it most of the time, so I can know that where I need to stop or when I need not to stop. So that helps me a lot for journaling. So I don't do the paper journaling on something, that's it, because I believe in a forward test rather than back test. So I click the picture, I see it, after, if I really need to see the strategy, because whenever stop loss happens, I go back to strategy, why this happens or something. But sometimes you just know why it need to happen. So this is almost a liquidity grab happening here, but I don't know it might go up or not. This happened, this is almost liquidity grab here. This line also I will remove it. Now it's not done. So for 5 minutes, this is the demand zone, right? We'll be waiting to break this demand zone. If this goes straight back downside, and then it will go on again downside. The way it came back, it was something sort of things. So I hope this demand gets pinched, and our entry get at the level. So entry might be 2341, 2340. So you can see on you can analyze on the candlestick that where is the entry might be. So I will tell you, don't go for these numbers out here. Come on, don't have to be on the number way all the time. Whenever price you see, the depiction you give on the chart, that's it. Price you see, and that time the price came, and then you take an entry. Obviously it will be giving you some sort of slippage somewhere around. So you can see this candle, that doji happens or something, and then it break down the red big candle. So high of this candle is our entry, I guess. Yeah, almost, yes, high of this entry, little higher. So whenever the market comes here, and then if you see this is point is pinching out, then you can just take an entry on a 1 minute chart, or else on 5 minutes if you want to see it. Then look at this candle, this red candle. this red candle. See, this is the entry, so you need to see at this red candle 30 70%, yeah, 70% on the lower level it's like 30%, yeah. So you can adjust on that level, or else you can go back again where there is a line of, so you can go to this chart also, sorry, this candle also, where you can see this high but little bit of high, like थोड़ा सा जितना थोड़ा सा हाई में आप ले सकते हो ट्रेड, देख लो यहाँ पे, and the stop loss would be this one, and the target would be this one. So target is also this high, this candle high, ये भी target हो सकता है. So wait for it. So that's why I'm telling you, I don't go with this numbers stuff sometimes. Oh, 1:1. So target is 949,944. So almost 110 pip on a gold. 10 pip is almost like your 2 pip would be the break even only. Sorry, 2 pip would be your spread only. 1 pip, 2 pip, whatever. On an average, it's 15 or 20 points. So 1.5 pip to 2 pip is our break spread only. So so make sure you get entry here, and then you can remove it like for 1:1 or 1:220 or something. So you can get that 2 pip also. But this again your, so basically when there is a 1:1 trade, your actual trade would be one risk to reward, one risk is to 80 or something, 0.80 or something. So make take that this thing into account also. म्हणजे कभी जब भी आपका एक 1:1 का रेशो रहता है, यू नीड टू मतलब आपको कंसिडर करना है कि आपका brokerage and what that spread gets into account also. So it's almost 1:80.80 rather than 1:1. So yeah, so once you get this, मुझे क्या बोलना है कि एक बार आप 1:1 में काम करते जाओगे, आगे आगे जाओगे, and you will literally feel confident about those trades, 1:1 and 1:1. Then you will try to get your edge, own edge. Not always I teach you whatever I tell you, that would be the edge. But you need to go with your own edge also. Sometimes you will feel like, okay, I see that 1:1 from demand level, it might go to 1:2 or 1:3, or maybe you will get into one sort of things that this will come to 78 levels, and then I will get 1:2 or 1:3. So that's how you can take your edges with the forward testing and not a back testing. I never support the back testing, although it went up from this level, and now I don't have any great supply and demand. See, this was the fake demand, this was the liquidity, this was the fake demand, and then this was the right one demand, and then it went up. So which one would be our supply to get this faked out demand? This one, no, this one, no, this one, this. Okay, I draw it long. I hope this gets, or else I need to draw this one. So wait for the moment. This one or else this one. So wait for the moment. So this is the impulse move. Have you seen this? This is the one of the impulse move. Yeah. don't take trade. Don't take trade right away. What do you like? This is the supply zone. But I consider this as a supply zone because I don't know why, but this seems very pretty clear. Okay, we'll take a risk here. If you get the price at this level, then we'll take a buy out at this level. See, again I'm telling you, level should you should literally know the levels also. Here at this candle you can take a trade, risking around 0.26. So maybe however amount it, the risk management I will tell you later, because I don't follow this for this supply it breaks, because I was looking for this supply to break at 1 minute sharp move, but it came down. See, market gives you opportunity a lot for a scalper like us. For a long term you won't get opportunities, but for a scalper you will get a lot of opportunities. So always make always be humble person, for market is having all the time opportunities, not like this is the last trade of your life and then you are just risking all of it for this one trade and you are done for the trading. I'm telling you, you don't have to risk at all. If you are not confident with that trade, risk 0.10% of your amount. 0.10%, 0.10%, not 1%. It's 0.10, 0.20, 90, and then 1% it comes. So 0.10%. I will be risking here 0.10%, as I told you. Let this trade come to our level. So if you go in a very tick size, like half minute or something, half minute like 30 second or 15 second, then you will see this is as the supply level. But I don't want to see as this supply level. I want to see this as a supply level, and I will take entry here with normal risk, where I supposed to take all the time. See, 5 minutes, it's gonna break this, then we'll take that risk too. Now I will make it to this point. You don't need to see the levels, huh? So don't worry about it. Yeah, 1 minute trade it might. Sorry. Okay, 1 minute trade I will tell you. Yeah, our entry would be happened and our target would be this. We would have got 1:1. I can understand that. We would have got that 1:1. But wait for it. Don't go minimal time frame supply zone. Those will be shifting like this and that, flipping. That supply flipping, demand is flipping. Then you will never got the right move. Although it works on a very larger time frame demand, that mini supplies and demand, but Wait for it, yeah, wait for it. Market is not going. I know by this fourth day, I not able to give you live trading signal or something. I know that the fact. That's why I came after 12:30 or something. So at least that morning trade we could have took it. But today there was no morning trade also. Like on 5 minutes, I didn't see any demand zone. Yeah, it was demand zone, but I didn't got the reaction of this supply. So this is like, see, the longer target was 25, 746 or something. That's why I'm keeping a buy side on the trading. But trust me, this impulse move have to go up. The candles need to cross this because these candles fall down, and again these candles are getting recovered. Yeah, I want to go back to some candles. I need to okay, have a work some. I was hoping the Asian might take this very nice upside. I was literally looking at the Asian only for the upside. Stay on this page and don't close it. And it literally happened the same way that I imagined. Sometimes you feel it, you know it, the intuitions comes right. See the manipulation like this and that, and then again going up, and then coming back, and then going up. Nicely, perfectly manipulated people on this planet trade the gold. They just need to know. So, after the three candles, it's showing some weakness around here for 5 minutes. I just hope that weakness doesn't mean that I need to take a trade. I will wait for. So sorry. I will wait for very nice trades, man. Because this is my money. I don't want to waste money on any stupid stuff. I am pretty sure that in a month I can take away 4 to 5% if I wait, wait for very nice way. That whole criteria gets beaten up rather than just forcing yourself to trade. Money is not going anywhere. Money will be coming. I have waited a lot of times, and right now I started this doing streams just because you know even I want to improve myself. And that might be the main reason also. मुझे भी थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करना है. मैं ऐसा बादशाह नहीं हूँ ना किंग हूँ कि मार्केट का कोई किसी का किंग नहीं रहता है वैसे. Every other guy whoever doing well good in the market gets gets fucked properly. So market never be on their side all the time. It has to give you some drawdowns, and that's way they teach you how to make money in a very humbleness or very patience level. You don't have to be impulse person. I was impulse person. Everyone is impulse person. But there are some with the what we say. There are some people who born instinctively non-impulsive characteristics. So that might be the good way. That person might be the best for the emotional stuff he wanted. The emotional stuff, whatever he wants to do, he will do it very nicely. Okay, so now this is 5 minutes, 1.6. Okay, I'm waiting for. Oh my god. Come down, come down, come down. So this will be our entry. I will put this way. This will be our entry. You see the candles where the entry might come. See these candles high is the entry. This red candle, this bearish candle. So I need to make it sure that I take an entry on a market price only. You can place limit order, but sometimes it just don't come to that level and goes away. So I always do the market orders. So I'm waiting. Let's hope that entry gives us. Okay. Don't focus on my chart, okay? Take a look at your own broker chart, whatever the broker is. Take a look at there. You will see the same candles somehow. You can take an entry at that level when you see that level. So don't look at my chart. This might be a lagging, and even the trading view is lagging also. So make sure that. Wait for price to come to our price, then only take entry. Don't ride it like this. See, this week is just testing, and then another week will be also testing. I guess the another month also would be the testing stuff on this live stream. After August, or maybe after October, the birthday month, I will start proper live trading. Till then, this is just testing on normal accounts and every other stuff. So I guess after October, we'll be doing a better live trading with nice voice, with nice sound, or every other stuff. Till then, just stay with me. I know there are no viewers right way. But still, I'm telling you, what if you came back and just saw what I did at the first? So that's what I'm saying right now. If some really person you really think that if he's genuine or not, they will always go back to what he did at the first and then decide on that matter. So I'm telling you guys, you guys who are coming back to my first live trading for what we say, YouTube live podcast. No, it's not a podcast. I don't know what we say. So yeah, for them, I'm glad you here. So you can learn a lot here right away, because I know not so many people are going to come to the first live trading stuff, and live trading is almost 1 hour and all the stuff. That's why I know no one will hear this out, but I'm telling you, glad you came. I know you will get a lot of uh, what we say hidden gems and everything. But later days, I don't think so. I will be sharing a lot, but I will be placing a lot of live trades. But right now, it's just testing. So thank you so much for coming to the first live trading sessions. Thank you for your patience too. I hope you will do great in future in the trading space if you really see this. Thank you. Okay, I said a few things for those people who will come back to this live trading first play around. And now for the people who are live, or maybe live, or maybe no one still. So wait for it. Oh my god. Like it's almost 36 minutes we are live and we are still checking out on these trades. I told you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We got it in. Yes, I took a trade. I placed a stop loss fast way around. I place a target price. Okay, guys, we are in the trade. Place a target price too. I place a stop loss too. So wait for it. I'm risking half percent on my accounts. Uh huh. That jacked up, huh? This low came back to. So I will be waiting. So I don't want to, cross this level. The price. I don't want this price to cross this level. Then we are stopped out. Till then we are okay. Supposedly. This is only the thing, right? When you are in a trade, you see a drawdown level, and then you will be like, "Oh my god, what happened? I am going to get stopped out." And once you stopped out, and then you will try to make sure that, oh man, I need more trades because this strategy requires two trades at least. Whenever the flip happens, it happens both way, right? On 5 minutes also it happens. Surely, why not? Flips are happening all the time. Flips means supply to demand, demand to supply. So yeah, first trade is stop loss waiting. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, if this trade gets stopped out here, I'm going to place this with the 1% at this level. So I will get this reaction and get out. From this demand zone, I will get reaction and I will get out at this level. That's my take on this trade now. So what would be one? Okay, freaking odds. So trade will be coming to 341 if it gets stop loss. The another trade. I give a second chance to my trade. I know sometimes you feel like, okay, what happened? Trade just went down to the stop loss and blah 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 blah. Don't root out yourself. You give a second chance. Either you risk same percentage what you risked last trade, or you risk double. So you get back all, and this stopped out us. Coming back to the levels I am posting it. Let's see 5 minute chart. Oh my god. 5 minute chart is danger chart. This candle is danger. If this happened, then this also never happened. I need to rethink. Okay, cool. I'll try my best again. Telling you guys, I take a trade, I execute a trade, and then I root on myself. I don't mind risking it, but not risking that much as it was before. Because mine is not funded account or something. Mine is proper live, my own live account. So I can risk 1%, 2%, whatever I feel like. Come baby, come. Hey, is it? It did. Oof. Hey, king-ish. Have you got it in the trade? Oh fuck, man. This was the very quickest trade ever. It went up, it went up also. You have seen this. This touched this level. This reaction gets inside and then touch this level. Although it didn't came at our level, the fact, see, but my level was there, almost there. I was about to click that and shit. Cool. Oh my god. No, I didn't got any in trade because I was just looking at the candle and I was about to press it till then just took it up. I was hoping it will stay at least for 3 seconds, not like 1 second, millisecond. Okay, cool. Now I am in a jeopardy, but a dilemma. What to do? Right? Take this trade or not trade? But don't take this trade now. It's just over. Done with this trade. Done with this trade. This was the stop loss. This was the thing. Now if this comes back to our level, then please don't take the trade. Yeah, means I'm the not taking. If you want to take it. Yeah, I'm not here to take or not take. It's up to you. You can see this as a demand zone and you can take it and it will ride it out also. You never knows. But I am not taking so far now. I need to see some nice clear candles. What I mean nice clear candles, I will tell you once it forms. Was about to take that, man. Just went crazily up. Damn, man. It's creating very nice demand also here. But it should break here. Oh my. just waiting that. Okay, let me take my journal out here so you will know how to journal it. Most probably the loss making will give you the array. It's 20. Why I'm written a 21? Sorry, it was 19. 20 today. Okay, see, it came down back to this level and then going up. Wait for it. If this is the demand zone, it is going to hold and you will get this reaction and then you can go back ahead. Wait for it. Yeah, now see, the reaction happened here and just shoot up to our target. But if you take now, if you would have take if you would have took this trade here, you need this much only to target, and now it's almost at a target level. But I I I can't take like this trade. Come on, I did it. It's very mistakable things. But I will wait for this what we say impulse move to get done. Then I will be on sure that if this will be the best demand zone, and we can take a trade here. But let it go as an impulse move, not like a normal move. Come on, guys, I am risking a lot of. See, this trade must have got out. Like if you if I go back, see the trade is almost, I have almost hit our target. Yeah, we missed it, and I personally told you to not to trade on this because you are also new people. So I personally told you not to trade on this because this was the reaction I was hoping to get into done, and this happened again. This was, I don't know if it goes down, and it was lucky trade or something. I wouldn't have traded this as this trade had the reaction already, so I don't would have not traded this level. So you have you seen this because I was waiting for the reaction, like like little less reaction like this to get on the trade. So this one also not to supply because it never went out. Wait for it. Don't go in a FOMO. You will get out. See, this one missed out very badly. Now this is the demand and then, oh fuck. Now wait. Now I will tell you what need to do. Okay, the supply is demand is broke. Is it broke or not? So what you will do, as this, consider as this is a liquidity and this as a demand, or this as a demand and this as a liquidity. Personally speaking, let's try our best. What if we just get this done? Now if this demand zone breaks, totally you will get this right away trade very nicely. It should not give a impulse move. Yeah, come on. should not give an impulse move from this demand zone. Then we will get trapped into the demand zone immediately. Although it happens when there is a loss. Okay, we'll do this. So at this level it comes our trade. In 1 minute, which candle? Okay, this candle. Okay, cool. So taking this as a our giving my trade a last chance again. That was not last chance, so this will be our last chance. Then I will conclude this live stream. Okay, giving trade a last chance. Giving out to trade a last chance. It's perfectly 1:1. If you see this, see the points are 3.30, so don't risk now more, or you can risk more, but see the lot size, it's changing now, it changed now. 3450 would be our risk. So how much amount you want to raise? Let's say $500, and $500 divided by 340, it's coming 1.47, so 1.50 would be our lot size. If you want to risk $500, $50, then 0.15 would be our lot size. So make sure should not come very recovery mode like push 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 fastly impulse move but 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 now you can place a limit order here if you really wanted to. Okay, I placed a limit order with the target and stop loss already, and I'm hoping to get that trade done. Although it will give you more drawdown to this trade because it might come to this XVG for the ICT people, this imbalance for the SMC people. This whatever gap trading, everything will come. So place order here, stop loss, the limit price, target, that's it. I will be doing no more chasing the trade. less limits and go down, go do your work also for this trade. For the 5 minutes, you can see nice trade happening. So now I will put like this. Yeah. So it's almost 13.35. So basically, two scenarios might be happening. I have risked twice, double the which it was previous, how much it was previous. Let's say if I risked half percent, then I have risked for this trade 1%. So I can get that half percent done and half percent in a profit. That one scenario it will happen if I get target hit for this trade, or else the second scenario will be will be down by 1 point half percent on my account. So this is my risk, and I totally agree with that risk. I accept that risk. That's how you should tell yourself that you accept that risk. You don't need to get FOMO when it's going to draw down. You don't need to get earlier target out when it's going to your way. So just make sure it's almost like, yeah, when if it's going up and take your entry, and then it's coming down, and you can see that it, if you are on the what we if you are on the mobile or on a computers on the screen, then you can take a trade at this level, like almost at this level, if you feel very triggered around, or sometimes it just come to this level and go back to break even, and then take out your trade and take out your target. So you can take out the target at this level, like almost, like from target you might say something 20% less margin of safety sort of. So that's how